So this isn't like the death of high yield savings accounts though, right? I mean, this is so much still better than going to Chase with their savings account or Wells Fargo. High
Correct.
yield savings accounts are still the way to go, right? For your savings.
Absolutely. It's important to remember too that like we still the feds, the federal funds rate is still now 4.25 to 5%. When the Fed cut rates to zero, we lived in this, sometimes you'll hear it called the ZERP environment or the zero interest rate environment. We are not anywhere near back to that. And it's likely, even by the Fed's own projections, that we won't go back to that. Of course, anything can happen and they could be forced to take action that goes back to that place. But even their long-term projections expect that these kind of interest rates would get back to maybe, 2.5, 3%. A high yield savings account is always going to pay you a better rate than, the 0.08% or whatever that like big banks are paying you on a regular savings account.